Hey guys, welcome back to another morning Markdowns. Now you guys seemed to enjoy this yesterday, so I thought I would continue doing these daily. I will probably take the weekends off though, so Saturday and Sunday I'll recap on Monday for you guys. So Monday's video will be a little bit longer than the rest of these. You'll also see these later on in the day. Since I do film this in the morning, it's going to take me a bit of time to edit and upload the video for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. I do have the bullet journal and the Erin Condren that I plan in every day. Why don't we go ahead and start with the bullet journal. This is kind of like a recap of yesterday. So I have my calendar here. I don't have to write anything in it today because I already have my new releases written down that I wrote on Monday. I did do the May bullet journal kit already. So I'm going to make a little box here and then just cross that off. I do still need to work on June's sticker bundle and June's bullet journal kit. The rest of May's sticker bundle is actually going to be shipping today as well. All right, so let's work on my April tracker here. All right, so yesterday I did read in the morning. I didn't actually read a book, I just read news. I suppose that counts as reading. I did meditate. And did I work out? I don't think I worked out yesterday. So no, I did. I actually did work out a bit yesterday. Not too much, but I did actually get a workout in. Oops, I screwed that one up. All right, and I did, of course, plan. Planning usually is like the first thing that I do in the day, so I might have to change those to plan and read. I did do my gratitude journal. Answered all of my messages. Definitely did Instagram. It is one of the places that I frequent the most. Always posting on Instagram. I also Facebooked, and I actually did a couple Facebook messages yesterday. So you guys, if you're not in my Facebook group, you should. I also designed yesterday. And I filmed and edited 2 videos yesterday, so that was a very good day. So yay, that is the first one that is completely finished, so I love seeing that. All right, now let's fill in our mood mandala. All right, so the day started out a little rough for me, but it ended up being very productive. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose the productive one because I was able to get my videos done, which was great. I also print and cut all of the bundles, and the rest of them are going to be shipped out today. So that was a good day yesterday. All right, and then I am skipping the loves of the month, so you guys won't see anything here until the end of the month. Now, I do have a couple of new releases coming out today, but I'm gonna hold off and fill that in at the end of the evening tonight. That way I know for sure that they actually all were released. I also told you yesterday that I would show you my gratitude journal as I have it written in. I also do this in the end of the evening. So I wrote a little sentence about Easter, spending the time with my boyfriend and his family, which I absolutely loved. And then yesterday I sat down at the end of the night and wrote my top 5 things that I was grateful for. Now, I really like the both of them, so I might just switch it up, whatever I feel comfortable with at the end of the evening. It might change like completely for this whole month. So that is what I do in my bullet journal today. Now let's go ahead and move on to the Erin Condren. This is actually where I keep like my to-do list in here and all of the things that I need to get done. So let's go ahead and fill this in. So Monday's bundles did ship. I also have more shipping today. I'm also going to be working on my new releases. I'm actually not going to be doing laundry. These stickers are removable, so I'm just going to pull this one up. I think I'll probably do laundry on Friday this week. That's just a guess, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it there. If I do have to move it around a couple of times, that's totally fine, so I'll just keep that there for now. I do need to paint my nails though, so I hope that I'll have time for that today. We'll see. So let's go ahead and choose one of these nail polish stickers. Most of my nail polish is with my niece right now because when I moved, I wasn't allowed to actually move it in the moving truck or in my car. So I gave all of my nail polish to my niece so she could fly it back with her, and we're gonna meet up on Saturday, so I'll be able to get it back. So I might just have to remove my nail polish, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and put paint nails here for now. I do have a couple of polishes, so I should be able to get that done. I also have my new releases coming out today, and that is going to be my May monthly kit, notes kit, budgeting kit, and calendar today. Oh, and then yesterday for dinner, I had tacos, so I'm gonna write that down here. And then let's go ahead and use this blue marker. I feel like I'm kind of already jumping all over the place here. I didn't actually have 8 cups of water, but I think I had more like 6, so we'll go ahead and mark those in there. All right, and I actually did get all of these things done, except I didn't actually picture my new releases, so I'm gonna have to do that early this morning. So let's just draw an arrow, or I guess I should do that so that I know I need to do that this morning, and then that way I don't have to write it over here because I do have a lot of stuff to get done today. I am gonna have to go to the post office. At my old place, my mailman was so awesome. He would always come to my door to pick up all of my packages, but I have a feeling that is not going to happen at this place, but that's okay because it's only a couple of blocks away, and I want to be able to walk to the post office, and that way I'm getting out of the house. So that is good. I also need to go to the pharmacy for my boyfriend. And while I'm out, I know that there's a Michael's right next to the pharmacy, so I'm gonna write down Michael's. That way I can get a little bit of fun shopping in for myself. I also want to edit and upload today for Wednesday's video, which will be the sneak peek of May's bundle. So exciting! And then I also need to change my shop banner, because I think it's still on like the Easter sale banner. So yeah, I need to get that done today as well. So that is just a smaller list of things I need to get done today. Really, I'm just going to focus on getting out my new releases and shipping the rest of my bundles. And then all of these things I'll be able to get done later in the day. So I hope you guys are enjoying the morning markdowns. If you are, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!